So today we are going to be making pork or kitimoto roast. Enjoy. I'm going to add 2 cups of hot or boiling water. Next we are going to go in with our pork. Half squeezed lime juice, and I'm going to put the whole thing in there. 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix it all together. I'm gonna cover and simmer for 45 minutes. Drain out the water and take out the lemon wedges. Fry the pork until it's golden brown. Drain out the excess oil. Red onion. Mix it all up. Next, I'm gonna go in with, I believe, green pepper. There we go. Thinly sliced carrot. It was a 1 small carrot. Mix it all up. That was chili flakes. Now I'm adding smoked paprika, garlic powder, some salt. Mix it up. I'm sorry I can't give you the exact measurements. Lemon juice, half a lemon juice by the way. Please season into your liking. I'm gonna go in with 2 grated tomatoes. Season to your liking, guys, please. Thank you. Sliced green onion or scallion. Cover and let it simmer on a low heat for 3 minutes, and voila, as you can see, it looks yummy, and let me tell you, it was delicious. Anyway, make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Hold on. Oh, turn on your post notification bell so that you are notified every time I drop a video every single Monday. Thanks for watching.